If I'm presenting a Google slideshow, I can advance the slides and read from the speaker notes directly from my cell phone or iPad. To do this, I'll first need to install the Chrome extension Remote for Slides. Now, whenever I open or refresh my slideshow, I have a new button at the top that says Present with Remote. Whenever I click this button, it opens up my presentation in full screen to present. At the bottom of my screen, it tells me to go to this website in order to access Remote for Slides. So that's what I'm going to do now. On the left side of the screen, you can see my phone. So I'm going to the website listed at the bottom of my computer screen. And now it's asking for a code. To get the code on my computer, I'll need to click Start Remote. And now it's giving me a slide ID. This is what I'm going to enter on my phone. And then click Connect. If at any time my ID number is compromised, I can refresh the ID and it'll give me a new one. The thing is that if you do refresh the ID, you will need to sign in again on your cell phone or iPad. So now you can see as I tap Next Slide, it takes me to the next slide. Another nice feature is that I can read my speaker notes directly from my cell phone or iPad by clicking this little speech bubble on my phone. So now it pulls up my speaker notes, and then at the bottom of my cell phone, I have the next slide option, and it changes to the next slide while showing me my next speaker notes.